Most of us think that willpower is like a muscle. Just as repeated training of a muscle increases its strength, repeated use of willpower increases its strength. Using this concept, you try to suddenly stop your bad habits, like overthinking, overplanning, laziness, and wasting time. Is this how you got rid of your bad habits? Probably not. The opposite of what you expect often happens. You stay away from them for 3 to 4 days at most, but then your temptation increases so much that you cannot control it at that moment. If willpower is like a muscle, why does it become so difficult to maintain over time? The answer is that willpower isn't like your muscles. It's like your phone's battery. It decreases as you use it, so after a certain time, it needs to be charged again before you can use it effectively. Long-standing bad habits cannot be suddenly stopped. However, if you follow the steps discussed in this video correctly, you will be able to break your bad habits in a short time. Let's see what these steps are. Awareness. Knowing why you have a bad habit can help you break it. Most habitual behaviors are patterns that have evolved because they've been rewarded in some way. For instance, they might make performing a common task or dealing with emotions easier. Note when you reach for this habit and then ask yourself why you're doing it. How does it make you feel and what triggers it? For example, you might reach for a cigarette when you're feeling tense or bored, or perhaps you bite your nails when you're studying or anxious. The cue or trigger to do something habitual is called a habit loop. To break a habit, you must stop the loop or cycle. Make a plan. Figure out what, when, and how you'll break your unwanted habit. Once you understand what triggers your habit and the reward, you can make a plan that swaps your habit with healthy, achievable goals and minimizes triggers. Make a list of things you must do to reach your goals and drop the habit. Your plan may look different depending on your habit. For instance, if you want to quit smoking, your plan might include throwing away your cigarettes. Studies show that having a specific plan greatly increases your chances of success, as it helps break down unwanted behaviors while creating new action patterns. When making your plan, iGrow recommends being very honest and open with yourself. Use B=MAT rule. The B=MAT rule, developed by Dr. B.J. Fogg, helps understand and change behavior, particularly in quitting bad habits. It stands for behavior = motivation plus ability plus trigger. To break a bad habit, address each component. Firstly, motivation is your desire to perform the behavior. High motivation makes it more likely that you will engage in the habit. To quit a bad habit, it's crucial to decrease your motivation for it. This could mean understanding the negative consequences of the habit and focusing on the long-term benefits of quitting. Next, ability refers to how easy or difficult it is to perform the behavior. When a habit is easy to do, you're more likely to continue doing it. To combat this, you need to make the bad habit more difficult to engage in. This can involve creating physical or psychological barriers. By increasing the effort, time, or complexity needed to perform the habit, you reduce the likelihood of engaging in it. Finally, the trigger is the prompt or cue that initiates the behavior. Triggers can be environmental, emotional, or situational. Identifying and eliminating these triggers is key to breaking a bad habit. This might mean avoiding certain places, changing your routine, or finding alternative ways to deal with stress or boredom. If you continue to use your willpower, it will continue to deplete. So by using willpower in the right way and employing the methods discussed, you can easily stop your bad habits. If you apply the B=MAT formula, then write "Yes, I will" in the comments, because this is where your commitment starts. And definitely give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, work hard, stay hard, and keep improving yourself. See you later in the next video with a new topic.